Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys date and time setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use oppo mobile date and time setting. So friends, now let's see how to use oppo mobile date and time setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Open your device phone setting and you can use oppo mobile date and time setting. Scroll down here. Open your phone additional setting. Open your phone date and time setting. You want to select time zone. So friends, you cannot select time zone. You cannot use date and time setting. First of all, you will have to turn off your set time automatic setting. After turn off your set time automatic setting, now you can select time zone. You can use time zone. You can change time zone in oppo mobile. If you click a date, so you can select date, you can set and you can change date in oppo mobile. So friends, I will set here 24 June, and friends time I will set here. Friends, you want to use am pm, so you can select your am pm time. So friends, I will set here 2 p.m. 1 p.m. we will set. Okay, 1 p.m. time we will set. So friends, you can check your time will show 1 p.m. and date will show 24. Time is 1 p.m. date is 24 Saturday. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile date and time setting. You can set date and time. You want to change, again open your phone date and time setting. You can select date, you can change date if you click a time. So you can select time, you can change time in oppo mobile. 2 p.m. you want to set, so you can set and you can change your time. Friends, you want to change your time format. You want to use oppo mobile 24-hour format setting you want to use, so you can on. After turn on guys, your time will not show 2 p.m. time will show 14, and you can check time will show 14, not 2 p.m. And friends, if you turn off your use 24-hour 4 settings, so friends, you can see time will show 2 p.m. Set time automatic setting friends, again if you turn on, so friends, you can see correct time and correct date will set automatic in your oppo mobile. 23 June 10:30 10:29 time. Home screen world clock you can on. Dual clock setting you can use in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To even doubt if any problem in oppo mobile settings, so friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.